The blood of Jesus.
Madira o. Madira.
Who is there?
Ikú pa.
Wait, I'm coming. Wait, I'm coming. How are you?
Honorable.
Yeah, how are you?
Bro.
Honorable.
Yeah, how are you? Come, sit down. Come. Give him.
Idiot! You be ghost. I be ghost.
Madira. Woba.
The honorable.
Honorable.
How are you? How are you? How are you? I hope the money is complete.
It's complete.
20 million.
20 million there.
20 million naira.
Alright.
20 million.
Honorable.
Bro, no.
Oh, wow. Very good. Take it easy. Take your joy. Take it. Yeah, baby.
Idiot! You be ghost.
Madira.
I be ghost.
Woba. Honorable. Pa.
You guys do wonderful. I hope you guys do. I hope there is no obstacle. No one follows you here.
Clean sheet.
Yeah? Are you sure?
Very, very sure. You know what we can do? Honorable.
Honorable.
The
Bro,
dog
no.
himself.
Go, honorable.
Idiot! You be ghost.
Madira.
I be ghost.
Woba. Ikú pa.
You can take. Take. I hope this one will be enough and everything now. You guys did a
Bro,
wonderful job. Can drink. Is there any problem?
Honorable.
No problem. You guys
The
did.
honorable.
Honorable.
The dog.
Idiot! You be ghost.
Madira.
I be
Woba.
ghost.
Now,
Ikú pa.
what is the problem? You can keep the money.
Honorable.
Hey. Honorable.
I hope this one is not good or this one is not big.
No, it's big now.
it's big.
We are not complaining. We
Yeah.
are okay. The dog.
Bro, no.
The dog itself.
Honorable.
Idiot! You be ghost.
Madira. Woba.
Let me go and ease myself, okay?
The honorable.
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 My voice. I'm coming. Let me ease myself.
Okay.
Enjoy yourself.
The honorable.
Honorable. Bro, no.
Honorable. Honorable.
Honorable.
You guys, yeah, like we still have more deals. You understand? It's okay. Just calm down, okay?
The blood of Jesus.
Madira. Woba.
happening.
Ikú pa.
No, your money is complete.
Your
You can't,
money
you
is
can't touch your
intact.
money. Over 5 years, we are working with you. We can't do that shit, man. Drink up, honorable. Drink it out. Is it not your headache? Me, I'm drinking my life.
you guys put any substance?
Bro, no.
Why would we do that? Are we that stupid? What are we doing? Put some taxes on your drink.
Don't you trust again?
Idiot! You be
I don't
ghost.
want to.
I be
Are you
ghost.
sure?
Very sure.
Perfect.
Very sure.
I'm telling you. Put it. Walk the grace.
Why would we?
I'm coming. Just wait, okay?
Okay.
Idiot!
Honorable.
You be ghost.
Honorable.
The dog is set.
The dog. Cash money.
It's okay.
Idiot! You be ghost. Are the ghost.
You say you guys say you're not good anything. You guys say you're not good
Idiot.
anything.
You be ghost. Are the ghost.
Let me check my
Idiot. You be ghost.
I thought
Are the ghost.
I have said to you guys before just dashing you this money. Why do you want to take my life because of why do you poison my son? I thought I have given you guys money before going for
Idiot.
the business.
You be ghost.
I just dash you this
Are
money
the
because
ghost.
I dash you small money. You want to take my hand, carry the money. I don't understand.
It was not intentional.
Idiot.
Please,
You be ghost.
I beg.
Are the ghost. Idiot. You be ghost.
I ain't conscious to do.
Are the ghost.
Don't do this now. Can't want to kill you now for 5 years now.
Idiot. You be ghost.
The dog, the
Are the ghost. Idiot. You be ghost. Are the ghost.
One of the yes.
Idiot. You be
At
ghost.
the
ghost.
West Pier Hotel. Do it very fast. They are very stupid people. Yes, they want to take my
Idiot.
life.
You be ghost.
Bandits.
Are the ghost.
Okay, I'm coming. You guys will not take
Idiot. You be ghost. Are the ghost.